Hello everyone, my name is Masyia Shofia Nisfi. In this video, I will be introducing my business, GarmenaTion, Second Life, New Look. So, this is not exactly a new type of business. It is more of a custom garment service. I work with ready-to-wear items like shirts, outerwear, pants, skirts, ties, and even dresses. What I do is transform a finished garment into something different from its original form. I add custom accessories or slightly modify the design so the piece becomes more unique and expressive. For example, I can create a garment from scratch, starting from pattern making all the way to the final product, and then change it with additional elements, turning something plain into a piece with more textures, detail, and surface design. At the same time, customers can fully customize their own pieces. They can request a design from the beginning, including the accessories they want, or they can bring their own garments for me to transform into a completely new look. Now, this approach is also connected to a bigger issue in fashion. As we know, there is a huge amount of clothing waste that ends up polluting the environment. In my opinion, used garments still have value. They can be remanufactured or repurposed as long as we assess whether they are still usable. Although recycling is one option, it isn't always entirely eco-friendly. That is why I believe it's important to focus on the principle of reduce, creating products that last longer so we can minimize the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. There is some examples like this can turn into this, or this can transform into this, or this can become like this, or even this. In my work, I try to apply circular principles by redesigning and reprocessing garments using methods like resync, reduce, repair, refurbish, remanufacture, repurpose, and reuse. I also make use of reusable garments, fabric scraps, buttons, beads, threads, and other materials, while still ensuring that the final products are clean, wearable, and responsibly made. And of course, every product we create will still generate some level of waste, but at least through this process, I aim to reduce that waste, even if it's just by a small percentage, while giving garments a longer life and a new identity. And actually, through this business I have created, I can collaborate with Alia's business to reduce garment waste by a few percent because we apply circular principles by redesigning and reprocessing garment using methods like remanufacture and repurpose. And so that's all about my business product. Thank you for watching.